everyone. This is just a quick tutorial on a very simple way to record your Raz Kids readings. So Miss Liz will be able to, or any teacher would be able to hear your child reading, and this would be great for our children as she will be able to assess them on what pieces of the reading might be difficult and if they should move on to a new level or not. So the very first step is for you to have them log into their reading room. The second step is they pick the level that they're on and they choose the book that they're going to read. So today we chose Anna and the Magic Coat. The third thing you do is you click on this microphone on the top right hand corner. Once the microphone is clicked, the student can start reading, and they need to finish the entire book. When the book is finished, it will automatically send Miss Liz a recording, or whatever teacher, to her page where she is able to listen to the students record. So 3 easy steps: logging in, reading room, pick out your book, and then the upper right hand corner is the microphone. That'll get you all the way through to the end, and then it will automatically submit it right to the teacher as long as you finish the book. Thanks.